Look at you. Now look at me. Unfortunately, you isn't me. Here are my top 5 spots to get a truly eternal sleep. Number 5, the spiked table. It forces you to find inner peace. Number 4, the pillory. Fixed posture, no scrolling. It's not a prison, Brian. It's mindfulness. Number 3, the iron cage. Built-in do not disturb mode and total security. No one bothers you in here. Number 2, the rack. One night here, and you'll wake up 2 inches taller. And number 1, the bull. Comes with complete soundproofing. And if you get too cold, you just light a fire underneath.